Troubleshooting memory. Sometimes you start up your screen and you see you've got a memory error, maybe a sudden shutdown. So we have special software available to us for this. Press F2 right there to get it working with a lot of cores. It's starting to check the memory. Oh, I'm seeing red. Look at that. Showing all the memory errors. This is the location it's testing. The total 32 gigabytes. It shows the error at around the 6 gigabyte area. There's what it's supposed to be. There's what it reads. There's the difference. So I'm seeing lots of errors there. As it's checking, when it gets to the next pass and it reaches the 6 gigabyte range again, you should see the errors showing up down below. Sure enough, look at them go. Okay, we've got bad memory. Still in that 6 gigabyte range. Lots of errors, thousands of errors in the test. The software we use is Memtest86 Plus. Get it from their website, latest version 5.01. Now before we do anything with the memory, pull the cord, lay it down in front of me where I can see that it's unplugged. Now each one of these is a 4 gigabyte SIM card, so there's 4, 0 to 4, then the second one would be 4 to 8. So that's likely our problem SIM DDR3 memory bank. Even though it's error correcting memory, this error is pretty serious. So we're going to pull this one out. Now it's very important on a server computer like this with error correcting memory, and it takes units of 4 per processor. You can have 4 or 8. But you can't use just one like you might use on a home computer and just test one bank at a time. That thing's hard to get in there. It's stiff. Make sure it's seated all the way. The clips are engaged on either side. Then we know that it's in there. Check it and double check it. Oh, doggone, I'll get that thing in there. There we go. Just have to push harder. Okay, let's start it up again and see if Memtest86 Plus, pressing the F2 key again, so the key on the bottom gives more cores to work with here, faster processing. Let's see if there's any more errors. So far so good. Well, it's tested past the 6 gigabyte point. Nothing right down below. Showing all 32 gigabytes that we have installed. That's always good. Although the speed is down a little bit. It used to be 667 megahertz, now it's down to 640. And unfortunately, when you mix different brands of SIM cards, this can happen even though they're rated the same. And I think that's what's happened to us here. Now, the old SIM card I'm going to label suspected bad. You know, they all look alike. This one's labeled with an adhesive back paper, suspected bad. Now, to confirm this, I'm going to take from the position it was in to this other position here, which is processor 2, to confirm that the chip is bad and not something else like the socket or the controller or a trace. Pressing F2 again to get multiple cores working on this project. Memtest is fired up. Checking the memory. I don't know if I like what I'm saying here. It's still 640 megahertz indication. It's not reporting the 32 gigabytes that I have installed. It's in the reporting 28. That's very suspicious. Oh my. Now we're getting the errors, but now at the gigabyte location, Memtest86. Very handy software. You burn it to a disk, pop it in, boot to it, doesn't even run your hard drive.